How to add shadow to text in Wix. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how we can achieve this. Wix does actually offer quite a lot of different effects that we can add to our text, which is great, including the shadow. So let's just go and get to it. And by the way, I know it says Wix Studio on the top left, but this is going to be exclusively for the default Wix. This is not going to be a tutorial for Wix Studio. Now it may be similar with Wix Studio, but yeah, I just need to note that this is going to be for default Wix. Anyways, without wasting any more time, we just want to open up our site editor. So once this loads in, I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to do. Okay, great. So now we have our site open. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and scroll down, add a section. Obviously, this is not going to be necessary for you, but I just need to add a section and add a strip, which is going to be with a white background, just so we can actually see the shadow. So just go ahead and grab any size of text. We can just go to text here, and I'm just going to go for paragraph, and actually I'm just going to go for titles and get this huge title. Now if you just go ahead and select the double click on it in order to select all the text that is in there, and we can just go ahead and change the color for it so we can make it visible real quick. And now we can actually go ahead and add the shadow. So to do so, again, let's just do it one more time. Once you have your text, double click on it, and then this edit text box should open up for you. In here, obviously, you can feel free to change the color of the text, get a highlight for it, the alignment, making it bold and stuff. But most importantly here, what we need to do is just go to effects, click on effects, and you should find all of these different ones, including this one, which is pretty much shadow. So by default it's going to look a little something like this, but obviously you can also play around with it. If you just click on edit text one more time, go to effects, and we can just go ahead and actually, I'm not sure if we can play around with it anymore, but maybe we can actually change it so that it is the other one, which is B, which looks a little bit different. But I don't think that there's a way that we can actually increase, for example, the blurriness of the shadow or something like that. We just get a choice between B or G, and these two are pretty much the two different shadow effects that we have for text that we can use. So yeah, this is what we can do here, and the rest of these things are not going to have anything to do with shadow or any effect really, so they're not necessary. And I believe, yeah, this is the only two options here, either B or G, and then we can't really do much about it else in here. So yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful or informative, and thanks for watching.